Alright, next up, Hands Off, which is a tier 5 Modern Warfare 3 Zombies mission. In this we need to kill 20 zombies with sentry guns, 10 mercenaries, and acquire a Cyphered Tablet. So what exactly do we do? What we need to do is first of all get ourselves some cash, or of course you could rely on RNG to get yourself sentry guns. They're not these mounted guns here. Instead, we need to get some cash and buy ourselves some sentry turrets from buy stations in the tier 2 zone for 2,000 each. You're gonna probably need more than just one. So farm up a bit of cash and make your way over to a mercenary camp. Now inside of a mercenary camp, you'll kill probably not only zombies, but AI mercs too. So this is obviously where we'll want to put our turrets down. It gets the best of both worlds very quickly. With almost enough cash, we'll slowly head in the direction of more cash, I suppose, until we eventually have enough to buy a few turrets. The quickest way to get cash is probably from doing missions, preferably the ones that you raid safes in. And of course we don't need to collect things for turrets, as those are a different kind. These are the perk kind that you can buy from shops or pick up randomly. Oh, and not to mention finding these little patrols is probably also a great way to get these kills, as there's a ton of guards in a small area, but if you don't have a sentry turret, there's not much you can do towards your quest here. Probably about 12 of these boys. Anyways, so now that we have some more cash, let's head to a tier 2 buy zone, such as maybe this one here, where we should be able to buy ourselves a few sentry turrets. Then we can head over to, say, a legacy fortress or something, as long as you have a key card to get into it. Getting over to a shop and clearing out some inventory space. I suppose we can drop that. This I want to keep. I'll set up on mine here too. Well, we don't have time to buy just yet. We need to clear out the area first and sell both of these and buy ourselves Con Interact. Let's see, gear and sentry guns. I'll equip it and put it in my backpack. I think we can probably buy 2 more. Let's distract some of these zombies and get ourselves 2 more sentry guns. 1, 2, plus 1 on us. Let's get ourselves over to somewhere with mercenaries. So we could do a legacy fortress, possibly. Entirely too sure about that one. So maybe preferably something not here, such as a normal mercenary camp. I think this one's already been done though. Alright, so finally heading back to a tier 1 area. It should be a lot quicker to do everything here. Let's get rid of the UAV. And inside of here, we'll simply just plonk down our turret. So we'll put it down here, and just like that, it should immediately start clearing out the camp. All we need to do is take cover. Now, one of these mercenaries should drop a tablet. We simply need to head across to it and pick it up. This thing is definitely very slow though. We've already got 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10. Oh, okay, no, it's not counting these ones. Okay, no, never mind, 5 out of 10. Cool. Is this thing still going? Yes, just very slowly. 6, I got 7, 8. Cool, 2 more. There are 2 more. I just don't want to get closer to them. There we go, 1 more, and we should be done with the mercenary kills. Come on, you. Come on, just shoot him already. Come on, then. Go on. Ow. There we go. 10 out of 10 mercenary kills with sentry guns. Now, all we need to do is get zombie kills with the sentry gun, and obviously check the area where these mercenaries were killed, as one of them should drop a Cyphered Tablet. Sweet. There we go. We've now finished the 3rd part of this mission. All that's left to do is... oh, there's another one here. Not that that matters. And another one. And another one. Okay, well, it seems killing any mercenary with a sentry turret drops this item, but once you've done all of them, we simply need to head across to preferably an exfil, as we can put down a sentry turret there and very quickly get all of our zombie kills in one go. Why an exfil? Well, when you call it in, 300 million bajillion zombies spawn, and with 1, possibly 2 sentry turrets, you can get them all down really quickly. You only need to do, what, 20 of them? But an exfil zone will pretty much guarantee you get this done in 1 shot. Obviously, you'll probably want to do this in a tier 1 zone as compared to a tier 2 zone, but I'm sure we can get it done here. So I'll plonk one down here, pick up my next one, and plonk it down here. Bam. Now all that's left to do is wait and hope that these things don't get taken down. So just prepare yourself to run around in a circle, really. Well, that didn't go to plan, but it seems like we finished the mission anyways, so screw this mission. And anyways, thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time, at least. Ciao.